It has all started here. Since the very beginning, we expressed ourselves. We progressed, innovated, but with the same goal: to express. All of us do it. Poetry in the motion, art of cooking, technology, mechanic, solving issues. Art is everywhere. Since I was a child, I have always loved to make and create things. But at a certain age, I stopped. Later in my life, I have found different tools to express myself. I started with photography, then video editing. I have met a lot of people along the way, but there is one person with I go make films and take photos the most. My friend Michal. We have known each other for over 10 years, and he is turning 22 soon. I decided that I will make something for him, something that I have never done before. A zine is a DIY, self-published book or magazine. You heard about this abbreviation before, right? DIY. It is something that has been here since the very beginning. These projects leads to mastery of the tools you use, improving your creativity, critical thinking and craft skills. With good progress, many things will come: people, money and purpose. It can be whatever you want to do or try. It doesn't need to be perfect. The most important aspect of this is trying. And that's what I'm gonna do in this video. Trying something. Now let me tell you about my idea. The idea is to make a zine filled with our memories, using our best pictures and moments together. This particular zine will be called Before I started, I made a template to have something to lean on. With this project, I realized how many memories we have. I almost got every material that I needed. Afterwards, I came home and prepared everything. I'm probably gonna start with folding this paper in half. I don't know, I'm a bit overwhelmed by all of this and I don't really know where to start, so yeah. It took me some time to decide on what title I should use. And I'm glad how it all turned out. It was like putting together a puzzle. Piece by piece, memory by memory, all glued together. This zine wasn't meant to be perfect. It was all about my signature. People nowadays get quickly overwhelmed by perfection. They even forget why they are creating something in the first place. And it's not just others, it's also me. Thanks to this YouTube channel, I tried many DIY projects on my own. During these projects, I realized the importance of DIY. With all that said, I'm happy with what I have created. This is the zine that I made for my friend Michal. I'm going to give it to him today. I hope that you enjoy this video and I also hope that I inspire someone to try some DIY project on his own. Thank you for watching and see you soon.